If Slack is showing an error message, don't worry. In most cases, you can fix it in just a few quick steps. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to troubleshoot the problem, whether it's a loading issue, a connection issue, or a browser-related glitch. This is a simple step-by-step guide, and by the end, you'll know how to get Slack working again without wasting time guessing. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, take a close look at the error message itself. Slack usually gives you some kind of code, warning, or short detail that can help point you in the right direction. Read it carefully and see if it mentions anything like a network problem, a login issue, or a browser error. Sometimes the exact wording tells you a lot more than you might think. If you're on a desktop, keep that message in mind because we may use it later if the issue continues. Next, the fastest and easiest fix is simply to refresh the page. In many cases, Slack errors happen because the page didn't load correctly the first time, or something temporary interrupted the connection. So go ahead and refresh Slack in your browser and see if the message disappears. If you're using the desktop app, close it and reopen it as well. A quick refresh can often clear a temporary glitch and get everything back to normal. If the error is still there, the next thing to check is your internet connection. A slow or unstable connection can cause Slack to fail to load messages, send updates, or connect properly to its servers. Open a new tab in your browser and search for speed test. Then run a quick internet speed test and watch both your download speed and your upload speed. If your connection looks weak, try switching networks, reconnecting to Wi-Fi, or restarting your router. Slack needs a stable connection, so this step is really important. If your internet looks fine and Slack still isn't working, the next step is to clear your browser cache. Over time, your browser stores temporary files that can sometimes conflict with websites like Slack and cause strange errors. If you're using Chrome, click the three dots in the top right corner, open Settings, then go to Privacy and Security and choose Clear Browsing Data. From there, clear the cached images and files. You don't always need to delete everything, but clearing cache is often enough to remove corrupted data that may be causing the problem. After clearing the cache, go back to Slack and sign in again if needed. Once the browser reloads the site with fresh data, check whether the error message is gone. In many cases, this final step is what solves it completely. If not, you may want to try Slack in an incognito window or another browser, but the main fixes are usually refreshing the page, checking your internet speed, and clearing the cache. So to recap, if you see a Slack error message, first read the code or details, then refresh the page, then test your internet speed, and finally clear your browser cache in Chrome. These steps solve a lot of common Slack issues and can save you a ton of time. If this tutorial helped, please like this video and subscribe for more easy tech fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.